Hey guys, Print D's. How's everyone doing? We got printers running in the background. We got all kinds of things going on. We got filament coming in, and what I want to talk about today is a couple things. We just surpassed 1,000 subscribers, and we basically have hit 1,000 of our soap dishes to Harry Tornado. Harry Tornado is a popular reseller on YouTube, sells on Whatnot, and yeah. So we started last year, February the 6th, actually, and I can remember that easy because that's my birthday and that's Haley's birthday. But we just launched something new for him, and he said to me in the winter and in the fall, "Hey Pat, could you come up with like a travel soap dish?" And it took some trial and error. So here we are, basically, the end of April. And it took some trial and error. My son designed these. I have to give him 100% credit. And but this is the blue one. This is the travel soap dish, and the green one. So a green and a blue one. He just launched these on his Whatnot. We sent him 33 of these guys. I apologize if the humming sounds. All the printers are running now. So, but I'm going to break it down and show you exactly. So these buckle out like this, and then they can hinge up. See, and there's a compression fitting in there and you put the soap in there. And on the back, obviously, we have Print D's, and it is made for the thick homemade soap, the square soap that goes into it. You can hinge it up like that, or hold on, it comes apart. So in other words, if they want to, so we made these exclusive for him, and look at the nice logo that we created for him. Traditionally, when we were doing the logo in the other soap dish, it was just Harry Tornado soap, which was basically just a straight font, and then Print D's on the bottom. And really proud of the job that my son did. I mean, we did different ways, and sometimes certain things couldn't line up. Probably took 2 months to really design these and print different ones. There was another design that we did, and it just didn't work out, and they got canceled. So there's 5 parts to this soap dish: the compression fitting tray, the bottom, the top with the logo, and then the 2 buckles. And we're going to be offering these to him in marble, blue, green, nice traditional bathroom colors. But so this has now cost us over 1,000 soap dish products that we have sold Harry Tornado. That's something I'm very proud of. So the green one and then the blue one. Now the traditional soap dish, do we have any of those around? Yep. So here here's the Christmas one that we made. Sometimes we keep a couple samples. So this was the one that I made at Christmas for him. It said "Merry Christmas, Harry Tornado Soap," and we did this like this, Print D's, and a lot even went into these. I think he got 100 of these, and he did a special at Christmas time, and we designed these ourselves for him. He didn't ask us. We kind of come up with the ideas, and then like, hey, and this is an idea that people would buy from him, and basically and then here's the red, and we did red and we did green inserts, and then the soap lays in there and can drain. Always will never run these through the dishwasher, cold wash, but this was something that basically someone could give as a gift, obviously. So this is how we started with this style. Now, obviously, we didn't. When we started, it didn't say. It just said Harry Tornado. See how it says Harry Tornado Soap? That was in the center. So this one has a lot more complex of font, and then the snowflakes and stuff like that. So we basically started out with one printer. We now have 7 printers with 6 always running. One of them we keep for the show. That was actually our original printer, is the one that we take to the show. That doesn't have the enclosed glass. Another soap dish product that we done, and this was actually designed about 9 months ago, and we wanted to make sure that this would work right. So the travel one, he basically planted the seed. Hey Pat, could you make us a travel soap dish? I'm like, and you can't just instantly just make something. You got to design it. You got to test it. You got to, what if this, what if that, make it the right. So that took some time. When we first made the soap dish, if you go back and look at the video, I think we made eight of these or so before we, and then had to change some settings because, you'd get print quality. That we pretty much have down. That there's very little waste on those, but we wanted to create something for the shower. So this is the soap shower caddy. Now this is made with special ABS filament. So ABS is what's it called? ABS. How do you say it? Does it stand for anything? But basically, it's made for water and heat. Yeah, heat more so. But obviously, I still wouldn't run this. And when we went on Amazon and got. These are expensive. The suction cup. So we had to get heavy duty ones so they wouldn't pop. And we tested it in our own shower for 6 months. Now these aren't branded for Harry Tornado, and we have drain holes. Do we have a soap here at all? No. No. We don't have a soap here, but this is what a traditional regular soap would look like, and pretty much, in other words, it's actually too big. These are our business cards. So we have a soap bar floating around somewhere, but we sold out. Do you have soap? Or, well, that's too thick. Yeah. So we're gonna. I just spontaneous decided to do this. So this is the Irish Spring. Obviously, Harry Tornado sells the soap, but boom, Irish Spring will fit right in there. Actually, this one's a little thick, surprisingly, Denise. Which I'm surprised because the regular soap fits right in there. But basically, you get the concept. It fits in there. Huh? Yeah, I know. You gave me that. The problem with this one, it has the curve, so it fits in there. But you have to. But the straight bar soap fits right in there. So it says print these, and then we have the drain holes on the bottom, and this sticks to you to make sure your surface is clean. Put this on. Oh, bring that over. Here, just give it to me. Just give it to me. So boom, there you go. So see how a square bar? This is dial. There you go. Boom. See? Boom. Now we don't want to have 9 bars of soap open, but there, it fit right in. And that's it. So that was 3 soap dish products that we basically have Harry Tornado sold. We've sold some of these ourselves. I wasn't sure how he would like these, but the audience loves them. We do. This is like a natural white bone color that more matches, more of a neutral. But we've done these in blue, purple, yellow. And one thing nice is when we do send them to him, we usually send about 20 at a time. So the demand is higher than what he got a lot of time. The first soap dish that we sent him, he was probably averaging about $15. So we want him to make money, and obviously we make money, and we're able to stay competitive enough. And the way that we can do that is just by buying the filament right. Now, this one cost us basically about 50-60% more than to print this. It's a lot more material, a lot more involved in that, but I love this, and I'm thinking that we're going to actually make this a little smaller, and we're going to do different things. We've done different colors for them, like ones that sort of look like superhero, or let's say Easter time we did like a pink and yellow, and colors that are close to like the football team. And like I said, we've done this in about 8 colors. So if you want to check out his Whatnot, and guys, I have a link in the description. It's $15 free. You don't have to buy from me. You can buy from him. If you're new to Whatnot, check him out. So my son is in the middle right now, and that's Josh, Big Red. And he does a lot of basically setting up, and he's going to be doing a craft show this weekend. So, and then on top of it, we're in the middle of printing how many wheelchairs? 4 wheelchairs, which take a lot of time. But this is something new that came up. This is cool. Basically what it is, I don't know if you've seen it on Instagram or Facebook. This is great if you're going to have a party or if you're going to an amusement park, right? Watch. And you have some fun with it. And the employees a lot of times, now obviously once they start seeing TikTok, see that? It's a wand, right? But you touch the credit card, like the tap and pay, and it pays the bill. And obviously the secret is you take the card, and the card goes into there's a like a notch there. So the card goes in there. We've already tested one of ours, and it goes in, comes out easy, and you don't lose it because this holds it in place, so it doesn't fall or you lose the card or slide out. And the kids love this. The employees are like, oh wow, that's cool. So we're going to be selling these probably in the future on Whatnot. And honestly, we're selling these for $15. So I mean, that's a great deal. If anyone is interested in one and wants to buy one, and we probably can ship this for about $6. So really, all in for like $21. And it's a great if you're going to go to Disney or go to what's the other amusement park in Florida? Universal. I couldn't think of it. I've never been there. I've been to Disney. But you can have a lot of fun with that, and the kids, hey Dad, I'll pay, boom, and they tap it. So now that we're getting into craft shows, and I'm up here in Pennsylvania, it has been a brutal winter, and so we haven't been, obviously there is no craft shows, but we're starting to schedule probably out to October. And I'm going to be getting back on Whatnot myself and selling some 3D printed items. But I'm proud of the fact, since last February, we basically, that's when we started up our YouTube channel. That's when we started selling to Harry Tornado. And we just hit 1,005 subscribers on here, which allows us to get super chats. Like, so if someone wanted to tip even watching this video, you can tip $2 if you wanted to, for example. We could get paid that way. We don't get ads yet because we still need more watch time. So we do plan on making more videos. I just recorded a wheelchair video, but we're just busy with stuff. The winter was rough up here, and I don't know if Harry Tornado, he's so busy he ever gets, but thankful for our business relationship and friendship. I've known him for over 5-6 years now, and the customers are enjoying his items, and they're enjoying the soap dish. I watch the shows occasionally. I see people in there. So yeah, 1,000 soap dish products between the shower caddy, now the travel one. We have a whole box. So what we do is, what we want to do, and he actually put a request in that he wants more marble color ones. So we're getting ready to print even more for him, and he's pretty much buying like every 6 weeks. So my goal this year was to at least get him to spend what he spent last year, and we make a couple other little things for him. But you'll have to check out his show on Whatnot. In the description below, I will actually put his channel, and if you're ever in and you want to check it out, say, hey, Pat D's or Print D's, set me over and check out his stuff, and I hope you guys like it. Alright, do me a favor, if you could like, subscribe, and comment, I'd greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you again.